Okay, so last class I think I have discussed the beginning of digestive system, right? The first part. And alimentary canal also little bit discussed. I think I left on this dental formula, is it? Because
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, okay. Yes, I have been teaching some same chapter for different uh, semesters, no? That is why. And all of you can give your attendance in the chat box. Okay, so the alimentary canal it starts from the mouth, right? And the inside the mouth it is known as oral cavity or buccal cavity. Okay, and it contains teeth and the tongue. All right, there are like four types of teeth. Incisors. This one discussed last class. The four types of teeth are there: incisors, canines, molars, premolars, and molars. Now this dental formula. This is the dental formula. Okay, 2123 divided by 2123 is the dental formula. I think you have already got this in earlier, like for science background people, you have got it in your HS and also in the school. Also, I think you have got it. Anyways, so this is the upper jaw and this is the lower jaw. Upper jaw means like you have total of 32 teeth, right? A normal an adult human being they have a total of 32 teeth. So 16 will be on like top and 16 down, right? 16 and 16. So 16 will be on top and 16 will be down. So upper one will be known as the low upper jaw and lower part will be known as the lower jaw. So this 2123 represents the upper jaw. Okay, that's 16 teeth.
Ma'am, বসে বসে
What about the others?
I'm good.
ভয়েসটো মানে কি অহা নাই বুজি বুজি
আহিছে তোমাৰ নেট প্ৰব্লেম চাগে বাকীয়ে মোক শুনা পাইছে if everyone is finding it difficulty to hear me then probably it is my network issue but then if only one of you are not hearing me then it's not mine. Okay, so this upper this 2123 this upper part this represents the upper jaw and the lower part it represents the lower jaw. Okay, and this 2 figure 2 this 2 represents incisors. Okay, and this 1 represents canine, this again 2 represents premolars and 3 represents molar. Okay, just remember that first 2 represents incisors, like same in this order. Okay, incisors, canine, premolar, molar. So incisor, canine, premolar, molar. Okay, same for the lower jaw also, incisor, canine, premolar, molar. Okay, now see this the what to say, the arrangement of the teeth, it is divided into left and right part. Okay, left and right part. It is also upper and lower jaw, just this is the upper jaw, so from the upper jaw also it is divided into left and right part. Okay, so in the left, like in the front we have 4 incisors. Okay, in the front we have 4 incisors, so it is given 2 because this is the left part, then one will be the right part. Okay, right and left. So 2 on the right part, 2 on the left part, even though they are joined. Now if you like imagine the canines, we have one canine on each side, so like 4 incisors will be there in the middle, and on the left side 1 canine, on the right side 1 canine, but it is represented as 1 because it is showing only one side. Okay, only one side, Like you can tell, you can imagine this one to be the right side. Okay, right side, left side is not shown here. Then 2, then 1 is the canine. But canines, in the upper jaw there are two canines. So like incisors, these two incisors are there on the left part, then again these two incisors will be there on the right part. Then canines will be there on the side of the incisors. Okay, one both sides. Then for premolars also same. Like after the incisors, after the canines, there will be two premolars on the left side, two premolars on the right side. Okay, and then comes the molars to the extreme end, like 3 3 on each side. Okay, on the left side also, on the right side also, 3 3. So on the upper jaw, it will be like 4 incisors, 2 canines, 4 premolars, and 6 molars. Is it clear? Like some people I have mentioned about the wisdom teeth, right? Those last 4 teeth. So for some people they do not come. Like for some people it is not 32 teeth, it is just 28. So for those people, wisdom teeth is among the molars. Okay, last one, molars. So that one, and same thing for the lower jaw also. So 2 incisors this side and 2 incisors that side. So it will be like in the front it will be 4 incisors. Then by the side of the incisors will be one canine. Then premolars, then molars. Okay. So total in your whole among your 32 teeth, like among all your teeth, there the total number of incisors will be 2 plus 2 here 4, and here also 4. 4 plus 4 8. Okay, total number of incisors is 8. Total number of canine is 4. 1 1, and this side like this is the one side, no, that side also will be 1 2, then here also 2 4. And premolars will be again 8, molars will be again 3 into 4. 1 2 3 4. This side also like 3 3, no, 3 4 are 12. So molars will be 12. So if you count all the molars, premolars, canines, incisors, it will be total of 32. Okay. So
ম্যাম আকৌ এবাৰ কৈ দিয়কচোন এইটো নাম্বাৰটো।
okay. See this divided by portion, no, just imagine this to be the upper jaw. ওপৰত থকা পাৰ্টটো, ওপৰত থকা jawটো, ঠিক আছে, ওপৰত থকা দাঁতখিনি, and then this one is the lower jaw. Okay, and the remember this the teeth, the name of the teeth in this order: incisor, canine, premolar, molar. Okay, this order. Don't say like canine, incisor, molar, and premolar. Don't like that. So incisor, canine, premolar, molar. So the numbers 2 1 2 3. So this 2 will represent the incisors, then this 1 will represent the canine, then this 2 will represent premolar, and this 3 will represent molar. Okay, same for the lower jaw too. Incisor, canine, premolar, molar. 3 is molar. Okay, now this is given like the sides, only one side. Like in your mouth, if you divide, if you divide your mouth into left and right halves, just imagine if you divide your mouth into left and right halves, there are like normally in your front 4 teeth are there. Those 4 teeth are incisors. Okay, to your like immediate front, the 4 teeth that are in your front, that those are your incisors. But when your mouth is divided into left and right half, those incisors will also be divided into half, right? 4, then it will become 2 on left and 2 on right, right? So that is why it is given 2, because this is representing only one half, either the left or the right. So let's take this is the right half. Okay, this one is the right half. Just imagine you're in your own body, the right half. If you divide your body like in half, like from your nose, mouth, like that, if you divide it in half, the immediate two teeth, first 2 teeth will be incisors. Okay, then the next will be canine. then next one will be canine, next two will be premolars, and next three will be molars. Okay, same way for the right also. First two will be incisors, then will be canine, then three will be, then two will be premolars, and then the last three will be molars. Okay, so in your upper jaw, total number of incisors will be 4, and canines will be 2, because this is one left side and right side also, like 4 incisors are there, right? 4 incisors are there. On the side of both the incisors, like on both the sides will be one canine. Okay, on, and like let's take molars. On one end, on the left side, there will be, at the end there will be 3 molars, and on the right side also there will be 3 molars, right? So like on your upper jaw, total number of incisors is 2 plus 2, 4. On the upper jaw, canines is 1 plus 1, 2. Then premolars is 2 this side and 2 that side, so it will be 4. And molar will be 6. 1 on the left side, 1 on the right side, 6. Same for lower jaw also. Okay, same formula for lower jaw also. Like 4 incisors, 2 canines, 4 premolars, and 6 molars. So total, like counting your upper jaw and your lower jaw, on your upper jaw will be 16 teeth, right? So see, 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 4, how much? 6 plus 4, 10. Then 12. Then this 12 plus 4, 16. So total will be 16. So this upper jaw also 16, lower jaw also 16. 16 plus 16, 32. Total number of teeth is 32. Okay, this is the dental formula, and this uh, uh, this upper one, this represents the upper jaw, and this one represents the lower jaw. Okay, and uh, this whole thing, this represents only one side. Okay, not the entire upper jaw, only one side of your upper jaw, like your left side or your right side. Okay, only one side of your upper jaw. Okay, let's take the like right side or left side. So it represents only one side of your upper jaw, and first numerical number, it represents incisors, then one is canine, then the next is premolars, and last one is molar. Okay, like this order: incisor, canine, premolar, and molar. Do you understand now?
Ma'am.
Okay, so the main thing is that the alimentary canal, in the alimentary canal, there is the like the beginning of the alimentary canal is the mouth, right? This one, mouth. So in the mouth there is teeth and the tongue. Okay. Next is pharynx, this portion, this one, pharynx, this portion is known as the pharynx. And in the pharynx there is a what to say, in Assamese we call it as algiva, right? Like those, that the tiny little tongue. If you open your mouth wide, then you will see a tiny little like a tongue at the end of your throat, right? So that is known as epiglottis. Okay, that thing is known as epiglottis. And what is the function of the epiglottis? The function of the epiglottis is that, see, when you swallow the food, when you eat the food and swallow the food, like in your mouth, right? You swallow the food, you chew the food, and then you swallow the food. So it can come back to your like windpipe also. Windpipe that goes from your mouth. Sorry, that goes from your nose. The windpipe. It is the same route. Okay, the windpipe also, it will go down like this, and the mouth also this side only. So if you what to say, if you when you swallow the food, it might not go down this way, and it might revert to your windpipe. Okay, it happens sometimes. Sometimes it happens while you are eating food. So sometimes it happens that the food, it went to the wrong pipe. Okay, so in order to prevent that, in order to like in order for that to not happen, the epiglottis is there. Okay, The function of the epiglottis is that it protects the food. It prevents the food to go into the wrong pipe, or wrong pipe means the windpipe, because the food needs to go into the food pipe only, no, not to the windpipe. So the function of the epiglottis is that, and in the pharynx the epiglottis is there. Okay, in the pharynx the epiglottis is there, and then comes the stomach. Actually, not the stomach, but next should have been the esophagus. Next part is the esophagus, not the stomach. Okay, next part is the esophagus. So esophagus is a long pipe, then food travels through this pipe, okay, or tube. Next is stomach. So esophagus will come and meet in the stomach. Esophagus will come and meet in the stomach, and the stomach, it is divided into like three parts. Okay, that is cardiac, fundic, and pyloric. Three parts. The stomach is divided into three parts: cardiac, fundic, and pyloric. Then after that, it will come to the duodenum, that is the small intestine. Small intestine, after the stomach, it will come into a small intestine. And small intestine, it is divided into three parts. First is duodenum. Here, the small intestine starts from here. That is duodenum. Then comes, this is the jejunum, right? And then comes the ileum. This one, ileum. So small intestine is also divided into three parts, starting from duodenum, then it comes to ileum, and then this whole is the small intestine, then this portion is the ileum. Okay, this middle portion is the jejunum. So this is the small intestine. Then the small intestine, it leads to the large intestine. See, in the next part is the large intestine. So the small intestine, it leads to the large intestine, and large intestine is again divided into three parts, that is cecum. First is, it will start from here, right? Cecum, and then colon. This is ascending colon, transverse colon, descending colon. So second part is the colon, and third part is the rectum. Okay, third part is the rectum, where the excreta, it is stored. Okay, so, and finally it will end in the anus, and where the waste material will go out of the body. Okay, so the alimentary canal, it starts from the mouth, right, and then from pharynx, then esophagus, then stomach, then small intestine, then large intestine, and finally it will go out of the anus. Okay, now we will discuss about the glands. Glands that, just give me a second. Hello? Who's this? মই ক্লাছত আছোঁ হা, ক্লাছত আছোঁ মই। মোক তুমি 11:00 বজাত ফোন কৰিবা, 1 hour মানত। Okay. Okay, now the glands. Glands means those glands which are associated in the what to say, in digestive system. Okay, about the glands, we can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
okay. Actually, the call came in the another SIM. No, that is why the network was cut for a second. Okay. About the glands we have discussed, right? Normally the glands, endocrine, exocrine, heterocrine glands, we have discussed, right, during uh, chemical control and coordination. So that portion is discussed. That is glands. So what are glands? Glands, we all know. Glands are nothing but organs through which, organs which secrete some substances. Okay, that substances may be hormones or any other substances. Okay, so glands are organs which secrete some substances. Okay, so there are glands which play a very important role in digestion. Okay, there are some glands which play a very important role in digestion, and without those glands, digestion would not have taken place. Like food will not be digested. Okay, they play a very critical role in digestion. Those glands are salivary glands, liver, and pancreas. Okay, salivary gland, liver, and pancreas. So salivary gland, it is a type of what type of a gland is salivary gland? We have discussed in uh, that chapter, chemical control and coordination. See, all these will come in the exam. Okay, what type of gland is a salivary gland? Endocrine gland, exocrine gland, heterocrine gland. What type of gland?
Exogland.
Yes, salivary gland is a type of exocrine gland. Why? Because it has ducts and it do not release any hormones, right? And it has a duct. Ducts are tubes. So salivary gland is a type of exocrine gland, and salivary gland secretes what? Saliva. Saliva, all of you know, in your mouth there is saliva, so that saliva is secreted by the salivary gland. And saliva, there are certain enzymes present in saliva. Okay, that we will discuss here in this portion, digestion of food. So there are certain what to say enzymes that are present in saliva which play a very important role in digestion. Okay, so uh, that is why saliva or the salivary gland, it is like counted among the associated glands because they play a role in digestion. Okay, and salivary glands, there are three pairs are there. Salivary glands, there are three pairs. First is parotid, sublingual, and submandibular. Okay, pairs means what? There are two parotid gland, two sublingual gland, and two submandibular gland. Okay, all these three types of gland, they are salivary glands only. Okay, and three pairs, that is parotid, like two parotid gland on the left, one parotid, and right one parotid, and sublingual also on the left and right, two will be there. Submandibular also same. Okay, for parotid, I will show you the location. Okay, have you if you just feel your inner cheek on the upper side, feel your inner cheek, like on the front and on top and like little bit front and on top. If you feel it, there will be a little if you will feel a skin, little like small protruding skin or muscle. Okay, there is a little uneven skin. If you feel it on your inner cheek, okay, that is the opening of a parotid gland. That is the opening of the parotid gland. On both the side of the cheek, there is one. On the side of the cheek, if you see, there will be a bulging skin. Okay, so that is the opening of the parotid gland, like the location of the parotid gland on both the side of your uh, cheek or your mouth or your buccal cavity. Okay, so that is the parotid gland. Same way for sublingual and submandibular also, they are beneath the skin. So these three types of salivary glands are there, and they are like two one pair or two each. Okay, one pair each. Like parotid gland, two parotid glands, sublingual also two, submandibular also two. Okay, okay. Then comes the liver. Okay, liver also play a very important role in digestion. Okay, and the what to say, the gallbladder. Okay, gallbladder. The gallbladder, it stores the bile. Okay, gallbladder, it stores bile, and bile pigment or the bile, it play a very important role in digestion, and how and why we will discuss in this portion. Okay, that is why liver is also amongst the important gland that are associated in digestion. Okay, that bile and pancreatic juice, they play a very important role in digestion. Next is the pancreas. Okay, so this pancreas, now the pancreatic juice I was talking about, the pancreas, they release this pancreatic juice. Okay, pancreas, they release the pancreatic juice. Okay, pancreas, we discussed pancreas is a type of heterocrine gland, right? Because it has a exocrine as well as an endocrine part, and endocrine part will release insulin and glucagon, right? And the what to say, the exocrine part, they will release this pancreatic juice. Okay, pancreatic duct is there, and they will release the pancreatic juice. Okay, and this pancreatic juice also plays a very important role in digestion. That is why pancreas are also very important. The three types of gland which are amongst these associated glands. Associated glands means associated with digestion. Okay, so these glands, that is salivary gland, liver, and pancreas. These three glands play a very important role in digestion. Also, the mouth, the pharynx, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, all these also play a very important role in digestion. Okay. Okay, we will discuss about digestion of food and this disorders, diseases in the next class. Okay. So, if you have not given your attendance, please give your attendance, and any doubts you can ask. Please give your attendance if you have not yet. Don't give it multiple times though. Sushmita Das, what is your roll number? 128 or 118? 128 or 118?
Ma'am, 118.
Okay, first one was mistake, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Okay, if you don't have any doubts, you can leave. You can leave.